Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications. Here you have to choose settings. Let's select the lock screen and security, and here you have to choose fingerprint scanner. Let's read about this fingerprint feature and tap continue. Before you add your fingerprint, you need to set up some backup screen lock method, so it could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. So let me save the following pattern, for example, tap continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. Now you need to register your fingerprint, so let's find your scanner. The scanner is located right here. Let's tap a couple of times on the scanner to save the whole fingerprint. You have to swipe down slowly over the fingerprint sensor and do it a couple of times. That's it. As you can see, the fingerprint is added successfully. Now you can add another one if you would like to, or you can simply tap done. Let's try it. Let me press my fingerprint on my sensor, and that's it. You can here handle with notification, you can hide some content or just show all notification content. In my case, let me leave it, tap done. And now you can press power key to lock your device. If you would like to unlock it, let's enter your pattern, or you might do the same thing by using your fingerprint. So let me do it, and that's it. Right now you can unlock your phone by using the fingerprint. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.